Hello guys, my name is Martin Quintero, and as part of this presentation, I wanted to tell you what was my work on this web page. This on the right, you have the mobile presentation. I think it's pretty cool. I like the colors, whether we choose the red, the black, and in some parts the green that you will see in the large page. Um, Actually, the theme that we actually chose as a group, it was the Orchid Beauty. So the Orchid Beauty uh, uses an image, big image right here, a big title, and then the sidebar is to the right, and then the other information is to the left, using mostly the part of the page here. So to implement this, we used, let's go back to CodePen. We actually used CodePen as a group. It was pretty cool. And to make this work, we used CSS Grid to make this mobile part. And there you go, the buttons and all the presentation there. Something pretty cool I like about this mobile presentation is the sidebar goes from the right to this transition, which I really like this part. And then part of the job was to implement the grid to make them change to the large page. So you can see the whole image of the page changes to basically the sidebar, the background image, and all the presentation, like the titles and the order. So I think it's pretty cool. What was the something like a challenge was to create the grid and to make them fit with images, to make them look good with the colors. So I worked really hard with this. Like I did my best uh, using the linear gradient here to uh, just to make them like fit well with the colors and all that. So I hope you guys like this. And
The big challenge was putting a drop-down menu button using only CSS in the mobile version. There were several things that we like about the design, starting with the use of the gradient color in the titles. Then, the button at the bottom of the site. They have a shading and rounded shape that give it a true button look, making it more eye-catching. The photo of the temple in the background is another of the details that we like to place and enhance in the design. Our main idea was to give the impression that the temple garden is a place of meditation or relaxation, just as Zen Garden can mean in other cultures. This group project was a wonderful opportunity to learn a little more about the power of CSS in web design.